Hello, viewers. You're welcome again to this amazing channel. My name is Esther, and on this channel, I'll be sharing with you amazing opportunities, remote jobs, and everything you can do online legitimately to earn you extra income. So perhaps you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, or you even have your 9 to 5 job, or you need extra income into your bank account, then this is the right channel for you. So what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post amazing opportunities like this, you'll be the first YouTube will notify, so you can quickly take advantage of the opportunity before a lot of people get to know about it. So with that being said, let's go right into today's video. So today I'll be bringing to you an amazing opportunity which can pay you between $17 to $30 per hour. And what is this opportunity all about? It is IT service desk analyst. It's a chat support job and is made possible by SCL Health System Services. So, and this job is 100% remote. You can do this job, perform your duties from the comfort of your home. So, let's look at the requirements, what you're required to do. As a technical assistant center analyst, you need to know how to work assigned ticketing and chat queue. You respond to diagnose and support PC, server, applications and hardware through discussion with users. Leverage knowledge base to improve and support first call resolutions. You identify workarounds when needed and route more complex issues to the secondary and tertiary teams of support as required. You interact with network services, application support, and site support to restore service and or identify and correct reported issues as needed. You document and prioritize service desk tickets, chats, and emails, call accurately in the ticketing system, and respond in a timely manner as guided by the department's service level agreements. Then you support resolution of urgent issues, including paging appropriate experts to help resolve critical issues as needed. So those are your responsibilities. And now let's move to the experience needed for this job. We hire people, not resume, but we also expect excellence, which is why we require high school diploma or equivalent. So you don't need a degree for this job. With your high school diploma, you're good to go because they say here that they are interested in people, not their resume. So that's an amazing one. And also, another requirement is a minimum of 1 year of customer service or call center experience. So, those are just the two basic requirements for this job. Isn't that amazing? So, you just need 1 year of customer service experience or call center experience. Then, you with your high school diploma or equivalent, you're good to go. But they say here that they prefer at least 1 year of experience of supervisory or leadership um, experience. Then Helpdesk Institute certification and A plus certification, previous IT helpdesk or healthcare environment experience. So if you possess the first two requirements, you're good to go. But the next three requirements are just an added advantage. So it will put you on a better page if you have this extra experiences. So what are we waiting for? Let's apply now. So you come down here and click on the apply now button. Then it takes us to this page where we can fill in. Yes, it takes us to this page where we can fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, then what job are you more interested in? You fill it in, You tick it, then your location, then you upload your resume, and they will definitely go through your resume and get in touch with you as soon as they are satisfied with it. So this brings us to the end of this amazing video. If you have gained one or two things, or you find this video useful for you, I want you to please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends and family that needs extra income. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, as I'll be bringing to you amazing opportunities that will definitely hand you an extra income. Thanks and bye for now.